God message for you today. You need to stop beating yourself down each time you fail. Your identity should not be based on success. Rather, it should be based on me. You are greater than your failures and success. Keep your head up. I love you. 1818. This angel number is saying to you today, your spirit guides wish to remind you of your divine powers. 1818 provides encouragement that you have capacity to manifest anything. Keep your thoughts focused and physical reality will respond. Type yes to tap into your inner progress. The universe is saying to you today, you have an important contribution to make in this world. So do not waste precious time on focus, doubts of negative emotions and beliefs. Be open to receiving all that you deserve as you are ready for an upgrade in your life. Subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. And also like the video. Thank you.